Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to give you a tour of the place that we're staying for Easter weekend. This is the Airbnb. It's located back behind the gates right here. So let me go ahead and take you in. Go through this little pathway here. A little narrow path with some stones. I will definitely put the Airbnb link below the video if you guys are interested in checking this place out. Here it is. But we're really interested in this area here because of the Easter egg hunting that we're going to be doing tomorrow. This is how it looks. There's the little Nipa-Style house there. And this right here, I think, is basically the people who own this property. Hi, Peepa. So we're going to go through here, guys. There is Fifi and Mommy. There is Tito Gregorio, just relaxing, living that billionaire life. So this is a little closer view of the Nipa-Style house. But you have some places to sit right here, right on top of the stones. I think inside there to the left, there's some lockers if you want to lock some stuff up. Not quite sure, but I believe so. So we come through here. Let me just show you the pool real quick. This is kind of like a plunge pool. It's not a big pool, but it's good enough to take a nice little dip if it's really hot, and nice place to relax. You ready to go swimming later?
Yeah!
But you can see that there's places to sit down around the edges. There's a little water fountain that lights up at night. It's kind of like a little grotto pool. Actually, not included in the rental. You would have to pay a little extra for that. I think it's just like a $18 or $20 extra if you want to do that. Looks like there's some fruit right there. Hey, what's the name of that fruit right there? Oh, jackfruit. Just growing right there. Alright, so we'll come through here. This right here, outdoor seating area. Okay, and there's actually a common kitchen right through here. I don't know what this is, but maybe they do some tours as well. But right there, as you can see, is a common kitchen area. So if you want to do some grocery shopping, and you can bring it back there. There's a little refrigerator right here, and cook your own food. Hello. That's our caretaker, right?
Yes.
Okay, hello. Alright, so let's go inside. I'll show you how it looks inside. It's really simple, guys. Nothing really extravagant or anything. But you come inside, this is how it looks. Little couch. This is the area right here. Upstairs is just like a little small sleeping loft area, okay? Let me just see if I can put the right there.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Come here.
So you can sleep a few people up there. Okay, there's Pipa. She wants to show us inside the main bedroom, but we just want to show you a different angle here. That was the front entrance right there. So this place does have an air conditioner. Okay. And very simple accommodations. Okay, just everything you need to just relax. Okay, and then just come through here. And the main bedroom. Just a mattress on the floor. Okay. And a little closet. So you can put all your belongings.
Hey.
There's Pipa right there, jumping on the bed. And this is just a little small divider from the main room to the main room. Having fun?
Yeah.
All right.
Probably outside.
And you know, this place does have a lot of vegetation and plants around here, so there might be mosquitoes. So they have like a little mosquito light over here. But very simple, guys. Again, if you're ever in the Paranaque, Manila, Metro Manila area, you're looking for like a little small quiet getaway, then you definitely want to maybe check this out. Okay, let me see. This is Pipa going up to the loft area. Be careful, okay? Hold on. I might want to help her here. Okay, go ahead. I got you. Got it? Okay. There. Pipa's up there. Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea like how low it is. All right. Come on down, baby.
Okay.
All right, she made it down. All right. So we're going to come back outside here. So again, if you guys are looking for some simple accommodations, then this place might be for you. Okay. Just your last look of the garden area. This is where Pipa's going to be doing her Easter egg hunt tomorrow. All right. We will see you guys later.